Hi guys, in this presentation we shall learn about pointers. So what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable which we can store the address of another variable. So what I'm talking about, let's see. For example, there is a variable called integer, okay? Integer x in which I have stored the value like 100, okay? Now somewhere in memory for the integer x a memory is allocated. Okay, for that memory I'm considered like a b c d is a memory of this uh, variable. In that 100 is stored. Okay, now this address is stored in this pointer. So how? Let's see. For example, if there is a variable called some variable called p, okay, in this variable I have to store the address of abcd, okay, abcd. So this is the concept of pointer. Now how to declare and how to use this, that is the main criteria. See, no matter what the pointer you want, first of all the data type, whatever the data type, since we are working with an integer I am using integer data type. After that we have to use this asterisk or a star, whatever you call. After that we have to use variable name. For example, my variable name is p. In that I have to store the x address. In order to get the x address I have to use ampersand x. Now after this statement execution, this is the result. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm saying. We have to take the address of another variable and I have to store in the pointer variable. Okay, here if x is integer only, then you have to use your integer. If x is character, then you have to use your character. Okay, so how to get the data 100 using this pointer? So in order to get the data 100, we can directly use x to get the data 100, right? But we have to use this pointer so that I can get the data 100. Now if I want to get the data from, I want to get the data 100, okay, using the pointer, then I have to use like a dereference operator with pointer p. So what this state what is this means is star of pointer. What is the pointer? States abcd, right? A b c and d. Okay, so this states that wherever the location abcd, go to that location. So here this location is, in that location what is the value of that? So 100. So this gets the value as 100. So this is a dereferencing operator, so this is a declarator. So there is a difference between these two. Okay, remember one thing. Okay, so I want to highlight some point here. See, you can declare int star p equal to ampersand whatever the variable name, or you can declare like int star p and p equal to ampersand of where. Okay, see, these and these are both are equivalent. Okay, don't, no need to worry. Okay. Here we are storing the address of this variable in this pointer. Here also we are storing the address of the variable in this pointer. Okay, but here while declaring only we have as address, we have assigned the value. Here after declaring we have assigned the value. Okay, so here we don't need to use the again star. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, you can see here I have a variable in which I have stored the value 100. Okay, now here the trickiest part comes. See, here I have created a pointer variable, and inside the pointer variable I'm storing the address of the var. Okay, now I have printed something. See here, I have printed the address of the variable, I have printed the value which is present in the variable, and I have printed the star p. So what I'm getting the answer, let's see. So you can see here these both are same, and here we get the 100. So why this happens, we have to analysis this. Okay, we got some answer like some number, okay, again a number which both are equal and a value 100. So why this answer comes like this, we have to analyze it. After executing the first statement where in which the value 100 is placed. Okay, so while doing this we have some memory address. For example, consider the memory address as abcd. Okay, abcd. Now The second statement says that there is a variable which is of pointer type. Okay, I have a variable which is of pointer type. In that I have stored the address of that var. So here it is a var. The address of this var is abcd. Okay, here a b c d. Okay, this is the second statement, and after that I have printed all these values. What is ampersand of var? So ampersand of var is nothing but var address. Okay, so where is var? Var is here, you can see here. So what is the address of that var? abcd. So first answer will be a b c d. Okay, comma. After that, see, we have printed the value p. So what is p? Here it is p. What is inside the p? Again abcd. Again a b c and d. So here this is star p, which means we are using dereference operator, which means whatever the value content inside the p, consider it as an address, and in that address what is the value is, we have to get that value. See, first of all p, here it is p, here abcd. Now consider this as an address. If you consider this as address, it points towards this variable. Okay, so this address contains the value 100, so we'll get the answer as 100. So this is what we got here also, a number which both are same with nothing but the address and the value 100. Whenever we want to declare the pointer variable, first we have to use the data type, and first we have to use the data type and put asterisk and here the variable name. Okay, after that you can use only variable name. Okay, if not, if you want to assign the address directly, you can assign the address here. Okay, this is the first conclusion. And the second conclusion is, whenever, for example, see, suppose x is a pointer variable, inside x there is a number called 123. If I print x, then I'll get a value as 123. If I print star x or dereference the x, then I'll get a value as whatever the value content in the location 123. For example, if I have 123 here somewhere and inside the value is like 1000, then I'll get the value as 1000. Okay, so remember the difference. Okay, whenever you use dereference, use this concept. This is a normal concept only. Okay, now I want to use a third conclusion in which I want to show some example to you. Okay, now you can see here I have a character pointer, integer pointer, float pointer, double pointer, and we will check the sizes of each pointer and we can conclude something here. Okay, let's see. Now you can see here the answer is 8888. So why the every pointer, which means character pointer, float pointer, integer, double, for every pointer the size is 8. The pointer size is same for all type of data type, either float, character, int, double. Okay, but if you consider like a normal variable, then it differs, right? If character, it is 1 byte, and it is float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, like that it differs, right? But in the pointers case it is same. First question is, why the pointer size is same and why the normal data type size is different? Okay, so this is the first question. So in order to answer this question, I will give the answer in the next video. Up to that you can think, you can use your own logic, you can use whatever you want, and tell us in the comment section what do you think. Okay.